In this video, let's view the steps to integrate Microsoft Entra ID with Z Identity. Using SAML protocol, we need to perform certain steps in the Z Identity portal, as well as Microsoft Azure portal, to complete the integration. Let's start performing the tasks in Z Identity portal first. Navigate to the Integrations menu and then select External Identities option. Click Add Secondary IDP. In the Basic tab of the Add Secondary Identity Provider window, enter a suitable name. Select a domain from the Domain dropdown. Select SAML from the Protocol dropdown, and select Microsoft Entra ID from the Identity Vendor dropdown. Enable the status and leave the Login ID attribute as Name ID, which is by default. To enter all the other required information, navigate to Microsoft Azure portal. Under Enterprise Applications, select All Applications, and click New Application. Next, click Create Your Own Application. Enter a name for your application. As an example, we have given the name Zscaler Beta SAML. Click Create. Next step is to configure this application. From the Manage drop-down, select Single Sign-On. Click SAML. Next, click the Edit icon to update the basic SAML configuration. Copy the SP Entity ID from the ZE Identity portal and paste it in the identifier and the reply URL sections. Click Save. Next, we need to update attributes and claims. Click the Edit icon to add the attributes that will be pushed to Z Identity. In this video, we will add two more attributes. Queries. First will be a user attribute called Department, and the second will be Group attribute. Click Add New Claim to start creating your attributes. Enter the name of the attribute, that is, Department. Select the source of the attribute as user.department. Click Save. Click Add a Group claim to create the next attribute. Select the groups assigned to the Application Radio button, and select Cloud-Only Group Display Names from the Source Attribute dropdown. Click Save. Next, navigate to User and Groups option in the Manage dropdown. Click Add User or Group to assign users or groups. Click Not Selected under Users option to select a user. A list of all the users is displayed. You can search and select the required user. Click Assign. Please note that if you want to publish users with groups to view group membership on the Z Identity, you will need to select User Groups instead of a user. Next step is to do similar configuration in the Z Identity portal. Copy the URL for App Federation metadata from the Microsoft Azure portal and paste it in the IDP metadata URL field in the ZE Identity portal. Next, in the Provisioning tab, enable the just-in-time provisioning, as in this video we are not using SCIM. Next, map the attributes that we have created previously. Enter the just-in-time user group attribute name as groups. You can also add any other attribute as part of the mapping. In this video, let's select Display Name. For display name, enter name for just-in-time attribute. Similarly, for primary email, enter email address as the attribute. Click Save. Please note that you need to refer to the Microsoft Azure portal to get the exact attribute names. This completes the integration of Z Identity with Entra ID using SAML protocol.